Hi guys, I'm back with you with a new concept, and today's subject is photo collage. It's your own channel, so don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell button also. So what we are waiting for? Let's start it. Materials we need are thermocol and same size cardboard, some photos, glue gun, clip and spray paint. First of all, paint the thermocol with spray paint. Now it's looking like this. The texture is looking nice. Let it dry. Now I am using golden color for highlights. Our paint is dry. It's looking like this. It's time to my favorite, glue gun. Paste all the photos in the middle of the patches with glue gun. It's looking like this. Now time to paste this frame on the board. It's looking beautiful. It's almost finished, and we just have to put a clip on the back side like this. Friends, I'm saying again, don't forget to subscribe my channel Magical Hole.